Hey y'all, it's Flying Rat. So today we have some like cool stuff. So we went to the square and I had this thing that I figured out one night, and we also got some stuff from the square. So first we'll show you the stuff we got from the square.
Oh yeah, we're also in the spot where we made our
Yeah.
first video.
Yeah, I'm getting sentimental. No, just kidding. Okay, so we've got these little like squishy llama squishies, and Lily's is blue and pink, and mine is pink and yellow. And
There's like white stuff inside.
yeah, there's white when you squeeze it. And so they're like cool and they're really good squishies. And we got this at Lizards and Lollipop. So if you want one, go there. And we also got this at Rhinos and Rhinestones or some. Yeah, I believe we got this chalk.
No, we got it from Doodlebugs.
Doodlebugs, yeah. Got this chalk spray stuff. So it's like here,
Something happened to the face.
Here.
Smeared. Okay.
Here, will you hold it and I'll spray it?
Hang on.
Sorry.
Technical
Okay,
difficulties.
so I'm gonna spray it on the brick. What's that duct tape in? So I'm gonna spray it on the brick because you can see it. If you spray it in the grass, you can't really see it. But I'll spray it on the brick. You can kind of see it. I don't know if you can, but it's just like light purple. And I wonder if it would work over here because we never use it for my parents over here.
Can't really see it.
Yeah, you can't really see it anyway.
Put on like the white or something.
Oh yeah. Here, I'll do it on like the. Oh yeah, I can do it over here because we never use this. And it's washable. Oh yeah, there it is. It's washable, right? Is it? Is it? Oh yeah.
Hope so.
So yeah. So that spells SUB, sub to Flying Rats. So we thought this was cool, and then we have an experiment that I found out. It's like 8:30, and I just finished my math homework, and I was like bored, but I didn't want to go to bed. Okay, so I found this like M&M, like I just like chugged the M&M container, like the M&Ms in the container, and I was bored, and I was drinking my sparkling water. So here we are. I can never open this. And so I opened it up and I poured. What happens? So I poured some sparkling water into it. I poured some sparkling water into it. You close the lid.
Shake it up.
Here, I'm gonna get the good. Here, will you take it in video? I'm gonna shake it up, but I want to.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
There. So. Oh. So. Pretty much. It's not that exciting, but I'll shoot. I need to pour some out. Stop keeps opening. Okay. That happens.
Wait, I couldn't see it. Do it again.
Okay. Oh. And it usually I need to put. Yeah, it like pops open.
Wait, hang on. I'm gonna try. Hold it.
All right. Here.
Here, let me just.
Yeah, get some more. Don't put too much, because then I will. Okay. So now I just close the top.
Oh my god!
Yeah, that was better.
It splattered out on me. Okay, hang on. Let me do it.
Try it again.
Put too much in.
Yes! It went on you!
We're good.
Wait,
Oh my
you do a
God.
video. I want to try this video. I felt like I was holding it.
I'm
too
all
much.
wet now.
Okay,
Oh,
I
wait.
Another shirt on the inside. Okay.
This is so fun and entertaining.
Yeah. if you want more in tanning, subscribe.
Yeah, we've got some interesting videos. Ooh. Really gotta shake it, Julia.
Yeah, I know.
You almost fell off.
I always do. I got that one on my arm. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's really all we have for today, but
Yeah. Wait, hang on. I'm gonna do it again.
alright.
Sorry, this video might be boring for the rest of the time.
But if you want to watch us blow up like M&M's cans and sparkling water, you can stay.
Yes. We would love for you to. I'm gonna get over here because I might fall off. I don't want to break an arm today.
Okay, so
Like, subscribe.
like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Bye.
Have a great life.